Good morning, students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. So, I have kept two things over here. One is hand purse and another one is pencil box. Fine. So, let me tell you the cost of this pencil box is rupees 90 and 75 paise, and the cost of this hand purse is rupees 120 and 40 paise. Now I have to find out the total cost of both the items. Okay, so what shall I do for to calculate the total price of both the item? Children, first of all, let me write this statement here. Cost of pencil box is equal to rupees 90 and 75 paise, and the next one is cost of hand purse is equal to rupees 120 and 40 paise. So, can you tell me that what I am doing here? These are the statements. This is I am explaining you by like a story. Okay. So whenever we have words like we have to find out total, altogether, how much, how many, and sum of, that means we have to add both the numbers. It means that we need to add the given statement. Okay, so we'll put together both the numbers, both amounts. So first I'll write here total cost, right? So total cost rupees 90 and 75, rupees 120 and 40 paise. Now we'll add 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 4 11. So these are in the paise column, so we'll write here only two digit and one uh, which 11. So we'll not write here 11. This one will goes to this rupees column. So just erase this one, and here 1 plus 0 1. We'll put the decimal point, this point below the decimal point, and 9 plus 2 11. So we'll write here 1 and 1 carry over there. 1 plus 1 2. It means that the total price of both the item is 211 rupees, 211 and 15 paise. It means that this is a story problem sum, and our today's topic is story based questions or story problem sums, which we use in our daily life, in our real life. Understood? Suppose your mother, your parents, and sometimes you also go to market and purchasing some things that you need to give money amount, such amount to shopkeeper, and then sometimes you give the accurate money or exact price. Sometimes you just get back the amount. Okay, that means we should know the all operations of in mathematics, like addition, subtractions, multiplications and division. So today we are doing word problem sums. Look at here this is exercise 9c. Some additions we have done in our last tutorial class. We have completed the additions. So here we have some story based question here. Look at the question number 3. Solve the following. Okay. So part A is Raman buys a sharpener for rupees 3 and 75 paise and a toffee for rupees 1 and 50 paise. How much does he spend in all? Okay. Raman buys a sharpener for 3.75 and the toffee rupees 1.50. So we have to find out the total price of both the items. Okay. It means that how much Raman has spent in all. In all, look at this, these words in all. It means that we have to put together both the amounts. Okay, both the price we will put together, means we need to add here. So first of all, we'll write the statement here. Okay, students. First, we'll write word problem. Word problems. Okay. The first statement is cost of a sharpener. Cost of a sharpener is equal to rupees 3 and 75 paise. Next statement is cost of a toffee is equal to rupees 1 and 50 paise. Now the third statement, total cost. We'll write the third statement, total cost. So we'll put both the amounts together. Rupees 3 and 75. Next rupees 1 and 50. Okay, now we'll add it. 7 plus we'll add from the ones place. So here 0 and 5 is in ones place. So 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, students. So can we write 12 here? These are after the decimals. These are the numbers, digits after the decimals. So these numbers is in paise column. Okay. These are rupees, 3 rupees and 1 rupees, and here paise. So no need to write 12 together here. This one will be goes up in the rupees column here. We'll write this number here and just remove this number from paise column. Okay. Now add here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. And the decimal point we'll put here. Okay. Now the total price of both the item is rupees 5 and 25 paise. Okay. So last statement we will write, thus Raman spent rupees 5 and 25 paise in all. Okay. This will be the last statement. First, we will write both this statement which the question asking. After that, we'll apply the operation. It means that it is addition, subtraction or multiplications. We'll observe, we'll read the question carefully and observe which operations we have to apply. After that, we'll write the last statement. Understood, everyone? Okay. The next question is, look at the next question. The next question is, just read this question aloud. Rohit spends rupees 527 and 50 paise it means and. This decimal point separates, this and will separate the rupees and paise. This point, okay, this point is known as decimal point, or we can say it and. Rupees 527 and 50 in a month. Mayank spends rupees 745 and 25 in a month, and Jitu spends rupees 623.75 in a month. Okay. Maybe these are friends Rohit, Mayank and Jitu. They spend such amounts in a month. गिवन अमाउंट्स, जो यहाँ पर अमाउंट्स दिया है ये एक महीने में खर्च करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन दिस प्रॉब्लम, हाउ मच डू ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर स्पेंड इन अ मंथ. नाउ look at this last sentence, how much do all of them together spends in a month. First how much, after that together. So what we have to find out, what operations will apply here. Yes, will apply addition, because here two words are here, how much and together. It means that we need to add here. Okay, so first of all we'll write the solution, and with the statement we'll find out our answer. So solution number B, solution, and with the statement we'll write Rohit spends is equal to rupees 527 and 50 paise. Next, Mayank spends is equal to rupees 745 and 25 paise. The last boy Jitu spends rupees 623 and 75 paise. This decimal point represent that before the decimal rupees and after the decimal here paise. Okay, now we have to find out the total amount. So we need to add. So we can add both the all the numbers, all the amounts, like separate the rupees and paise column. Now we'll put the rupees in the rupees column here 527, and paise below the paise column 50, and 745 here 25 paise, 623 and here 75 paise. Now we'll add all amounts here. Here in the ones place, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15. So students, look at here carefully. This amount is in paise column. So in the paise column we need only 2 digits. Why? As according to the rule, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. It means this is in the paise column. Look at here, this portion. Okay, when we expand this number 150, when we expand this one, अगर हम इसे expand करके लिखेंगे, it means that 100 plus 50. So 100 means 1 rupee. 100 paise makes 1 rupee, and this is paise. So this one will goes to the rupees column here. Okay, now we'll add 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 3 16. So we'll write here 6, and here 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, And here 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 6 18. So the total spends by 3 boys 1896 rupees and 50 paise. So we'll write the last statement. Thus they all spent rupees 1896 and 50 paise in a month. Okay? Like this, you will solve your next two problems. Look at here. Problem C and D, you have to solve your own. I have given this in your homework, in your worksheet, which you have to upload on a Monday or Tuesday. This is your submission worksheet. Just solve the story based questions or word problems in your maths notebook and upload this work in student portal. Okay, understood everyone? See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.